The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Flex Cordless Stick Vacuum is designed for people who value portability without compromising on performance. This compact vacuum brings a host of features that aim to make cleaning easier and more efficient, especially for homes with pets. With its flexible 4-foot hose, you can tackle everything from floors to ceilings, allowing you to clean every corner of your home, even those hard-to-reach spots. The vacuum's 20-volt max lithium battery ensures a solid performance, delivering decent suction power for a variety of tasks, including cleaning pet hair and dirt off different surfaces. One of the standout features is the 17-ounce washable dirt bowl. This not only saves you from having to replace bags, but makes the cleanup process much more convenient. Simply rinse it under water, and you're good to go. The filter is also washable, which can help maintain suction power over time and reduce long-term costs associated with replacements. The vacuum comes equipped with a pet hair brush attachment, which makes it particularly useful for tackling stubborn fur on carpets, stairs, and upholstery. It's clear that this vacuum has been designed with homes that have pets in mind. Its performance on pet hair is solid, and the tool does a good job lifting those fine hairs that often get embedded deep in carpet fibers or cling to soft fabrics. As a cordless model, the BLACK+DECKER Flex Vacuum offers unmatched portability. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, allowing you to clean for extended periods without strain. However, being cordless does come with its limitations, especially when it comes to runtime. While the vacuum is capable of handling standard cleaning sessions, you might find yourself needing to recharge if you're tackling a larger area or a more demanding job. The 4-foot flexible hose is another impressive aspect of this vacuum. It extends your reach significantly, making it easier to clean those hard-to-reach areas, like behind furniture, under low tables, or even above your head. Whether you're cleaning shelves or drapes, this feature is a game changer. The vacuum's charging station and base keep everything organized and ready to go. It's a simple, convenient setup that ensures the vacuum stays fully charged for when you need it. The charging time is relatively quick, so you won't have to wait long before you can get back to cleaning. When it comes to noise, this model is relatively quiet compared to many other vacuums. It's not silent, but it won't disrupt your day while you clean. The noise level makes it a decent option if you're cleaning at any time of day, even when others are around. The flexibility and maneuverability of this vacuum are one of its strong points. The lightweight build makes it easy to carry from room to room, and its small size makes storage a breeze. However, the trade-off is a slightly smaller dirt bin, which means you may have to empty it more often during a big cleaning session. While this vacuum performs well in many areas, there are a few downsides to consider. First, the suction power is decent, but not exceptional when compared to higher-end models. It works well for everyday dirt, dust, and pet hair, but you may find that it struggles with deeply embedded dirt or large debris, especially on thick carpets. The battery life is another consideration. While it should last through most standard cleaning tasks, it may require a recharge if you're cleaning for extended periods. The build quality is solid, but the materials feel more basic than what you might find in premium models. Still, considering the price point, it's fair to say that the vacuum offers good value for its cost. It's well made enough for everyday cleaning, and the fact that it's lightweight and portable makes it an excellent choice for smaller homes or apartments. When comparing this model to others on the market, it stands out primarily for its flexibility and pet hair cleaning capabilities. In the same price range, you might find vacuums that offer more power or longer battery life, but they may lack the versatility and portability of this BLACK+DECKER model. If you're looking for something easy to handle and store, especially if you have pets, this vacuum checks those boxes. On the flip side, if you have a larger home or need a vacuum that can handle a wider variety of surfaces or larger debris, you might want to consider something with a bit more suction power or longer runtime. In terms of maintenance, the vacuum is easy to care for. The washable bowl and filter reduce the hassle of frequent replacements. The hose and pet brush attachment are also simple to clean, which should extend the overall life of the vacuum. For those looking for a budget-friendly cordless vacuum that's compact, easy to use, and highly effective on pet hair, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Flex is a solid choice. While it's not the most powerful vacuum out there, it's more than sufficient for everyday cleaning tasks, especially in homes with pets or smaller living spaces. It offers a good balance of performance, convenience, and value, with a few minor trade-offs in terms of suction and battery life. If you're someone who values a flexible, portable vacuum that's easy to maneuver and doesn't require constant maintenance, this model is well worth considering. On the other hand, if you have a larger space or need a vacuum with more power for deep cleans, you might want to look into alternatives that offer more robust suction and longer battery life.